We are at Snyder Tire Incorporated's retread plant facility in Greensboro, North Carolina, and will be conducting a rolling resistance test for North Carolina schools. As you may know, the lower the rolling resistance that a tire has, the better the fuel mileage. Michelin has a fuel savings calculator which includes most new and retread rolling resistance factors by tire series. By putting certain information into the calculator, the end user can calculate the fuel saving gained by switching tread design or tire brand to lower rolling resistance tires. Michelin does not rate the rolling resistance of the bead to bead, so we decided to estimate its rolling resistance factor by comparing it to a tire that we do have the rolling resistance factor for. The test you see on this video compares the 11R 22.5 Bridgestone M725 with 26 30-seconds on the left to the 11R 22.5 bead to bead with 19 30-seconds on the right. We rolled both tires down a 15-degree incline. Both tires rolled about the same distance. Therefore, we will use the M725's factor in calculating the rolling resistance of the bead to bead. The factor is 172. In the second video, we will show you how Bandag's Fuel Tech Drive compares to the bead to bead. For more information on how you can reduce fuel expense, contact your Snyder Tire sales representative. Thank you. In the second test, we took the Bandag Fuel Tech Drive on the left and compared it to the bead to bead on the right. As you will be able to see, the Fuel Tech Drive with the 24 30-seconds tread has lower rolling resistance and will roll considerably further than the bead to bead. The Fuel Tech Drive rolls about 30 feet or 66% further than the 45 feet that the bead to bead rolls. The wet stopping rating of the Fuel Tech Drive is also better than most retreads. The mileage performance of the Fuel Tech Drive will likely be less than regular Bandag retreads. However, the fuel savings will more than offset the shortfall in mileage and the higher initial cost. This lower rolling resistance could save school buses from 4 to 8% in fuel cost. We strongly encourage you to consider testing some of the Fuel Tech Drive retreads in your fleet.